What's going on, 2 of you? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Now today is sort of an unusual video, car related, but not kind of car related. Well, I guess it's mostly car related, but hopefully it'll bring you some type of entertainment. But it may piss some of you off. It'll piss me off a little bit, just a little bit. But I'm not one to get pissed off too easily. But this kind of did. Now, as you can tell by the title of the video, there's some popos involved. Well, one in particular. Just one off-duty sheriff. I'm going to go ahead and just give you the backdrop and everything leading up to the event. Now, I'll show you guys this little video clip. It's mostly audio of the video clip because I'm not really like recording while I'm being pissed off and whatnot. But I did hit the record button just in case something crazy happened. You know, I got video proof. But anyway, just a little backdrop. So I was headed out to get the some windshield wipers and a tail light for her car. I'm sitting at the stoplight, just minding my own business, you know, just chilling. Nothing crazy. I'm not doing shenanigans. I'm just minding my own business. And I see this super dark tinted F-150 roll by. I'm like, man, I wish I would have got my tints that dark. This is ridiculous. Mugs up here, freaking 2%, 5% tint, and just driving around like it's normal. And that was it. Didn't think anything else of it. Goes about his business. I'm sitting at the stoplight. I take my left turn. My light turns, so I take my left turn to go into town. And I look up in my rear view and I see my buddy Tyler and his dad. I'm like, oh snap, that's Tyler. So I get over onto the shoulder lane, turn my hazards on, and I park on the shoulder lane. I'm parked, sitting still, not doing anything, nothing. Now, I knew Tyler had some problems with his Daytona. He was taking it to the dealership, or so I assumed he was taking it to the dealership. So I was waiting for him to see just what he was doing. And as the light turns green, I see the group of cars back there start moving. So I get up, and instead of waiting for all of them to come past, I just get in front of them. Not like cut anyone off or any of that jazz. I didn't do anything stupid. Just got up, got in front of everybody so I wouldn't have to wait for them all to come by. And I catch up to Tyler. Tyler wasn't going fast. We weren't doing anything because, like I said, his car was having issues. So he was, babying it and limping it onto the dealership. Catch up to him, exchange words. Hey, man, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, man, blah, 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 blah. Okay. And I decide, hey, I want to follow these two to the dealership. You know, it's pretty cool. So, being a friend. And he goes about his way, or he gets in front. I get behind him. And I see his dad behind me. I was like, oh crap, that's his dad. I never get to see his car up close. So I got ready to get over and I noticed my blind spot is on. There's a giant F-150 over here with his badge flash. I'm like, what? What's going on here? So I roll my window down. What's the problem? You're gonna blah, blah, blah. You're gonna learn how to drive this damn car. At least learn how to drive it. You're gonna drive such a nice car. At least learn how to drive it like you got something of another. The dude exchanged words. He was very heated about what I did. I did not know. Like, I legit didn't do a thing. Usually I would be lying. I would. But I didn't do a thing this time. Really didn't. So he's exchanging words. I'm like, are you serious right now? Like, what's the problem? He's like, pull over, let me talk to you. And he was an off-duty officer. I see the badge, and that badge could have been anything. I can't see what the hell that is, man. You could have been telling me to pull over and freaking pull some weird crap on me. But you know what? I was like, nah, hit the record button. Let's see what this fool wants. So I let Tyler and his dad go on about their business. I pull over, see what this guy's talking about, and we'll just let the video do the talking, guys. And I'll get back with you after that.
I get it, man. Your car's cool, okay?
What did I do wrong?
Listen, you live down by me.
Yeah.
So I have to hear this thing every day.
There's like a billion cars that come through there making noise though.
I know, but listen, I'm tired of yours.
How do you know it's mine when there's like 30 of them that make just as much noise as mine?
There's not 30 of those in town.
There was one just right there.
Okay, so next time I see it, I'm just gonna start writing tickets. I was gonna be cool about it.
Okay.
But I'll start writing for exhibition drivings every time I get tired of hearing it.
But what did you see me do wrong just then?
I'm telling you, it's been going on for a while. Okay? You live just down the street from me, so I know it's yours because I watch you drive by me every goddamn day.
So what did I do?
I'm tired of hearing your exhaust every time. Okay, I'm done arguing.
What? You just want me to turn? You just want me to turn the exhaust off?
That's what I told you. I'm tired of hearing it. Drive it like a normal person, or
so you just tired of hearing the exhaust? Okay. We're done here. This kid's talking some nonsense. Or else I'm gonna start writing tickets. Yeah, okay. I got your tickets, buddy. Hear that, nigga? Alright, so now that you guys have watched the clip, man, what do you guys think, man? Did you really think that I was in the wrong, or was he just, you know, losing his cool? I don't think so. None of the people I work with, multiple people I work with stay near me, and none of them have complained or said anything about me driving through here. There's motorcycles, there's diesel trucks, there's other little ricer cars just flying through here all the time, man, just making all sorts of noise. The ricer cars, you know, they can't really fly. They do make noise, but they don't really fly. But the diesel trucks and the motorcycles, man, NASCAR track through here. They're just freaking, and me being the responsible one, this is like in areas like this or near where I stay, I do not speed, simply because if, say, a little kid were to run out, and let's be honest, folks, skin, you see the color here? Let's be honest. I'm not one to pull the race car, but if it was my black ass to hit one of these little kids rap for me, we all know it. We all know it. Let's not even pretend to beat around the bush. We all know if I were to do anything of the sort, it's game over for me. No more 40 a dig TV. It's a wrap. But like I said, I don't think I was in the wrong, man. I didn't do a thing. And as you saw from the video, I asked him multiple times, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? And all he could say was, I'm tired of hearing your car. All right? And, all right, so, I can't really show you guys from here. Just Google Minot Airport. Just Google Minot Airport, Minot International, whatever the damn airport is. Google Minot Airport. The airport is right there. Like, behind, we stay next to an airport and he complains about my car annoys him. We stay next to an airport? Alright, guy, you obviously woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning. I'm not going to entertain your shenanigans. And I have another video clip that I'll play in shortly. I get up this morning, I go to the gym every morning before work. I try to go every morning before work. You see, it doesn't show. I'm a small fry. Anyway, I did go to the gym this morning. I get up, it's about 5:15, 5:30-ish. I'm backing out of the garage, and I immediately get hit with a KA band. I'm like, the fuck? Where's the KA? I look down the street, and there's a set of headlights just sitting. KA band. I was like, is he really sitting at the end of the street? Matter of fact, I'll show you where he was sitting. You see the red car here? You guys see the red car? He was parked behind that gray car, behind the red car, if that makes sense. Red car, gray car, he was parked behind there. So about a football field length away, I would say is where he was sitting at, outside of my house. And I'll put that clip right here. Hey y'all, look, I get a KA band as soon as I pull out the garage. Look down there waiting. Look down there waiting, sheriff, wait for me, y'all. Look at him. Okay, now that you guys saw the clip, yeah, so this dude's on some other stuff, man. Like I said, I wasn't in the wrong. I didn't do a thing. You're gonna get annoyed at me because you're tired of hearing my exhaust when we stay next to an airport. Good job, bro. But this dude's tripping something serious. Like, he must have recently divorced, must have 3 kids he's paying child support for, and that's why he's staying in a 2-bedroom apartment. Like, whatever, man. Have a nice day. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Sucks a suck, nerd. He's just SOL. I don't know what to tell him, man. Like, I gotta go to work. There's no on-off switch. I'm not just gonna turn my damn exhaust off. Like, it's just not how it works. You're tired of me with it. I don't know what to tell you. Put some headphones in or something. Sleep with earplugs in. I don't know what to tell you, bud. I could see if I was just running and ripping the highway just like all times through the night, 2, 3, 4 in the morning, just making all sorts of noise, but I don't. Like I'm in before 9 because I go to bed at 9 so I can get up early as crap in the morning. And that may get annoying to some, but I don't cold start my car outside. I cold start it in the garage. And the neighbors who are attached to me, this house right here, have never said a thing to me. Never said a thing. They have to deal with this every morning. Haven't heard a word from these folks. I say hi, I say bye if they're outside, and we keep moving. This guy who stays way over yonder, nowhere near me, is the one complaining. Right. But you see something like this, man, looking nice, clean, not all ignorant and retarded looking, and then you see one of the brothers behind the wheel, yeah, probably ruffled some of his feathers or something. I don't know what I did to piss him off, but I don't know. But anyway, like I said, I'm done. I wrapped this video up like 3 times and then I just kept going, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure you swing over to the Instagram channel at load392slow, all one word. I put it down in the description. And it's a wrap for me, guys. Hopefully I won't be harassed anymore. That's I wouldn't say the scariest run-in, but the most annoying run-in, maybe you want to say that? It's one of the least pleasant run-ins that I've had with an officer since ever, really. Definitely one of the least pleasant run-ins I've ever had with an officer of the law. And I don't appreciate it at all. But that's it. I'm done. I'm out. You folks have a great day. Peace.